Guys and gals, welcome to another episode of MRC, Motorcycle Rides in beautiful California.
You just drop in and just smack the lip, whoop-ah, drop down, snap, ah.
You know guys, we have a beautiful, beautiful trail or road for you that we're about to share with you. It is entitled Highland Valley Rd. Now, it is a beautiful ride. I'm going to show you on the map right now. In all essence, guys and gals, this ride is a solid 4. It's a blast. It has tons of twisties, and especially at the very beginning, you are going to die laughing with how bumpy it is, but yet when you get there, it's a blast. So guys, check it out. I meet up with the Ducati crew. From Italy. One reason why I have a Ducati, and you'll see. But other than that, guys, again, leave a like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And other than that, enjoy. And until next time, be safe. Enjoy.
Because half that trip was like not even, I totally missed the guy. Well guys, I'm on Highland Parkway, and I'm really bummed because I had this, I thought I was filming, but I had this dude that obviously he's on drugs. I don't know what, but he was on me like honey, oh, like a bear on honey. But I'm on Highland Parkway, and guy recommended this road. This is one of the bumpiest roads I've ever been on. I'll show you guys in the comments below where it is. But this is like a little side road. A guy from the Ducati crew was saying, hey, give it a shot. I already missed probably the first quarter mile of it. Oh God. You know, I decided to go ahead and do it just for the fun of it. I've never done it before, and said, you know what, might as well. Got a full tank. Already did my Valley Center ride, so I said, hey, you know what, might as well have fun and try this road. I personally, guys, you seeing this is the first time I've ever done it. So am I going to go slower? Yeah, I don't know this road. So I have no idea where the bumps and all the stuff comes, but all I can tell you is the beginning of that, no the heck way, that was bad. That was like super ultra bad. Oh, okay, I see now where it smooths out. Okay, so they go, so it looks like to me you do the bumpy section over there to get to the smooth section here. Oh my goodness, I was laughing my butt off at that. That just, when you guys do this trail, you'll see what I'm talking about. You're gonna see, Oh, this is pretty though. Oh, look at that. You're just breaking the law. You're just that in the bag of chips. Woo, it took that a little sharp. Highland Valley wine country. Ooh. These guys are killing me. I'm gonna head more country. Just try it, just for fun of it. Old country road, old tank mountain. Again, I don't know this road, guys, so I am just cruising. But I decided, hey, I can combine all these together. Ooh, now look at that death trap. You just come at that super fast, whammo! And then you hit that rock right there. Yeah, that would not be good. I had no idea about this road, so I am not blaring through nothing. I am cruising, and I'm going to enjoy just this beautiful motorcycle ride. I'm assuming this is taking it towards the, I'm not saying Julian, but this kind of reminds me of that vicinity. See, this is part of the problems right here. You get stuck behind people, and you know, I don't necessarily say it's a California thing, but yeah, I mean, I'm born and raised here, so, but most people don't like to get over. They like to stay in their lane, and then like right now, if I passed them on a double yellow, they'd be all upset. But it's like, I get it, but I'm also on a motorcycle and you're in a car, and you know,
someone's gonna die. Someone's gonna die.
Told you.
Someone's gonna die.
know I can go faster than you, and yeah. Ooh, it's getting warm. Went from the 50s to fun-loving, feels like it's in the 60s now. Yeah, I'm coming on you. Good lordy. This is a cool little road though. Very cool. I get it. I get it. I get why guys do it. I don't know why guys would do the first bumpy section. Oh dude, come on. You are literally killing me right now.
Road to cheer you up. It's called Let's Go Already!
I could see that this road would be fun if it was a little bit warmer, and obviously there wasn't a stupid car in front of me. But yeah, I like how this road's super smooth. I could imagine this would be actually very warm in the summertime. This would be not a fun place to go when it comes to that. So, yet again, me being the bad guy. Ooh, okay, right on. This actually very much like reminds me of Trabuco. This is very identical to Trabuco Canyon. Oh, you are just a fun-loving person.
Why are you the way that you are?
Ooh, 15. Wow. No idea if this is like a hard turn or not, or oh, this is pretty. Woo! I get why they want to do this road. I get it. What a beautiful, fun road, man. He just dropped all the cigarettes. Might actually take a little bit of a break over here. Oh, kind of dead ends. All right. Oh no, it continues that way. Okay. Well, at least I got the footage. I'm heading back anyways. Tasting room, all right. So I think in front of us we have a Aprilia and then a V2 Panigale, and then obviously you saw everybody else that showed up. You have the Super Tour version. Oh, somebody's hit that rock. Wow. And for me, again, like I said before, I'm all about riding smart. So if I don't know the road, there's really no need for me to feel like I have to prove anything with hitting something faster than I should, you know. That's just me personally. So That's a little bit of a sharper one. I didn't anticipate that one.